Hello everyone, in this video we talk about lists. Lists might contain items of different types, but usually they contain items of the same type. Lists are built with square brackets. Let's build our first list. Here we have only numbers. In the second list we have letters and numbers. Plan for the video. Indexing and slicing. Replace elements of a list. Concatenation and append method. Nest lists and slicing. Slicing. It works as for strings. Refer to the previous video for details about strings. Let's print again L. We want to retrieve number 1. Remember that Python starts indexing from 0. This means that we use L square bracket 0. The length of the object L is 5. The last element is stored at 4 since Python starts indexing from 0. And here we retrieve 50, the last element. Indices may also be negative numbers to start counting from the right. And as you can see, we retrieve the same item. Note that now, to retrieve the first item with the negative index, we use -5 and not -4, because when using negative numbers we start from -1 and not -0, since -0 is the same as 0. Let's print again L. Select items from index 1 included to index 3 excluded. This means L square bracket 1 colon 3. We have 2 and 3 because 0, 1, 2. And we are retrieving from 1 to 3 excluded, so we don't have 4. Select items from index 1 included to the end. In this case we use square brackets 1 colon. Select items from the beginning to index 2 excluded. In this case we use colon and 2. Select item from the first line included to the end. In this case we use negative numbers. -3 colon. Replace elements of a list. Big difference with strings. Lists are mutable. Let's print again L. Replace 50 with 5. 50 is stored at index 4. So L square brackets 4 equal 5. And we replace 50 with 5. Let's print again M. Replace 3 with C. 3 is at index 2. So M square brackets 2 equals C. Concatenation and append method. To concatenate two lists, we can use plus. Add new items at the end of the list by using the append method. Method functions that belong to an object. Let's append 6 to list L. Nested list and slicing. Now we build a list of lists. The first list, this one, is stored at index 0. The second list is stored at the index 1. This means that if we want to retrieve the first list, lm square bracket 0. The second list, lm square bracket 1. To select number 3 from the first list, that is list 0, we do like this, lm square bracket 0, square bracket 2, because number 3 is at the index 2, 0, 1, and 2. Here another example. And that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video.